Update number 5. He's still all in pieces, but I'm making progress. I've started doing the rust patina. I'm going to do some engraving here and maybe removing some of the rust before I clear coat it. Here's the top propeller. Just got it out of the way for right now. Also, I've added, this is the top finial. It's got 4 more cups on there, and it turns really well now. Here's some of what I'm talking about on the, see, I've removed some of the rust here before this has been clear coated. I know it looked really neat when these cups were like real shiny, but it just didn't seem to fit, so I let them rust a little bit and then I removed some. This part's been clear coated. I'll show you what I'm working on now. It seems like it's always something, but I'm not complaining. That's part of the fun of figuring out how to make this thing work. But so I welded my Roman numbers on here today. I plug welded them from the back. See if I can remove it, because this is part of the issue. When I plug welded these, it caused the face to warp, so it's got a little bit of a curve. Now I can force it the other way, but this is where it wants to be, so that's where I'm going to leave it. But the issue that it's caused is now my little hang on, let me get this back on and I'll start the video back. Okay, here we are. So here's the issue I'm dealing with now. This is the hour hand and the minute hand. Of course these turn, but I'm using these collets. This one's going to be for the hour, and it's going to slip on down there, but this is too short now for my set screw. And then I got one for the minute hand. It's okay, so this one's going to still need to be trimmed off, but I'm going to have to add about 1/4 inch to this one, and I've got some more of this tubing, so I'm going to have to take it back apart and extend that out, which shouldn't be too difficult. But so I'm going to do a different kind of rust. I call it a copper patina looking rust, where you wipe it off and then I'll sand the numbers back off and clear coat that, and I'm going to do some fancy stuff up here to the top. It doesn't turn very well laying on its side, so I'm not even going to mess with that, but it works pretty well, so I'm pleased. It's been quite a challenge, but that's what I like doing. So till next time, God bless.